A duck approaches a bowl filled with lively fish. Its curious eyes fixed on the rippling water. With a swift movement, it dips its beacon, snatching a fish in an instant. The tiny creatures dart around, sensing the predator among them. Nature's instinct takes over, the duck feeds. The fish fight to escape, and the cycle of life continues, even in the confines of a simple bowl.